There's one over here.
Thank God. You're so nice. I really like you. I wanted somebody to say that to me. Thank you. The plan was, yes, I wanted to wait for 2 or 3 singles to come out before I start doing live shows. And now that I have 3 or 4 singles, yeah, the plan is to do a few live shows.
Woo, woo! Yes. I got to introduce the first one. So
you did introduce the first one.
And I'll introduce everyone after that. Okay. Hands up and please state where you're from and your name. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Priyanka just called us a pack. The Anusha and Priyanka show package deal. Awesome. Hands up. Don't feel shy. It's okay. She's not going to bite you. I'm not going to bite you. I think they're scared of me.
I just might. No. They don't have any questions. They're so nice to me today. Kya ho gaya, bhai?
Hi, Priyanka.
Hi.
Yeah. I'm Geet.
Hi, Geet. How are you?
And I want to know if you are collaborating with any leading EDM producers over the world.
Leading EDM producers over
like
the world?
Like Armin, Tiesto?
Not on this album. Not that we have done yet. But we have collaborated with the Chainsmokers, as you know.
Yes.
That's a song that I did on their album called Erase. And actually, we do have a few DJs on the album, but it's not something I can talk about right now. But it's not going to be Tiesto.
Cool.
Okay. Yes, over there.
Priyanka, hi.
Oh.
Hi.
Oh,
Hi, this is Dhairya from
Hi, Dhairya.
radiomusic.com. Actually, I wanted to know if you would sing for Bollywood also very soon.
The plan is to do that in my next few films. Maybe some special songs, or I think, if you can sing, why not? And I want to be able to sing in Hindi as well. My album is in English, but yes, I do intend on singing in my film soon.
And she sings in Hindi very well. She's being very modest, let me tell you.
Slow and steady.
Yes, you had a question, sir, in the white. We'll just give you a mic.
So, Priyanka.
आप बड़े पॉपुलर हैं आपको तो ज्यादा cheer मिले मुझसे भी ज्यादा
अरे नहीं आपसे कम So quite an electrifying performance.
He's okay.
Sorry. कोई बात नहीं होता है लोगों को usually मुझे देख के
This is what happens, yeah, when
जी आपका सवाल था, sorry.
Yeah, so quite an electrifying performance.
Yes, thank
the
you.
whole of the club is just enthralled.
Yay.
The whole of the club is just enthralled to have your presence. So I think the Priyanka is the ultimate pop star and the princess of Indians.
If you want to call me,
so whom
I
do
won't
you think,
stop you.
Yeah. So whom do you think is your contender worldwide? Like in India is nobody.
Who do I compete with?
Yeah.
I compete with everyone. I'm competing with you right now. कि हम क्या सवाल पूछने वाले हैं? आपके लिए इतने cheers क्यों आए? Who I think of competition, I don't know. But the way I look at my life is I've always tried to, as a human being, push myself. कभी-कभी गलतियाँ हो जाती हैं, कभी गलत फिल्में हो जाएंगी, शायद मेरे गाने अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे, हो सकता है लग भी जाएं. So I like to take the chance of that maybe if I'm pushing the envelope and I'm trying to do something different, I may be wrong at it, but at least I tried. So I don't know who I consider competition. I don't even know what I'm going to be doing next. मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता था I was going to be a musician. So that's why for me, I think it's just as an individual, and I think everybody should feel that way, कि you just want to grow. क्या होगा? Maximum you'll fail. कुछ और कर लेंगे.
Great answer. Come on, hands up. Yes? I can't see
Back
you.
table, I see 3 hands.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's just one question. But
Do you need a mic?
Yes, they do.
Yeah, they do. Okay.
Hi Priyanka, here Supriya.
Hi, Supriya.
ब्रेकअप के ऊपर काफ़ी सॉन्ग्स है लेकिन आपने ये पर्टिकुलर गाना ही क्यों सिलेक्ट किया है?
ये particular गाना as my 3rd single? Is that what you asked? Album मेरा पूरा ready है. तो हम लोग decide कर रहे थे कि which song should we go. I wanted the 3rd song to be a solo single. I didn't want it to be a collaboration क्योंकि पहले 2 हमने Will.i.am और Pitbull के साथ already किए हैं. So I thought that when I heard all the songs in the album, there are some really wonderful songs. But this is a song that really started me off as a singer. I remember singing this song very much when I was a kid. I remember, relating with it. You know how for every girl in the world, I Will Survive is one of those songs that we all sing when we're in trouble. So Heartache, this song was the one that I used to listen to. So when we decided to make a dance version of it, I was very sure that I wanted to hear it first to see if it does justice to such a classic. According to me, this is a really great mix of the song. It's a really great version of the song, which is why I thought it was sensible to do as my first single. I mean, solo single.
Priyanka, Isha here.
Hi, Isha.
Yeah, hi. How do you react to the speculations that, your song doesn't sound like, what you had sung?
I just sang in front of you all for that reason.
Yeah.
Every song of yours is completely different from one another. Voice comes
We can't hear you. You need to use the mic if you're going to say something.
What? Sorry?
आपकी हर सिंगल में आपकी आवाज अलग-अलग नजर आती है. तो
मुझे
इसकी
नहीं
क्या
पता यार, मेरी हर फिल्म में भी लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि मेरे रोल में मैं अलग-अलग लगती हूँ. I don't know. I think it's my voice, and it really depends on how people treat it. I think in once the song is mastered and rendered, these are all club songs. They're all dancing tracks. Maybe when I do a ballad, then you'll say कि अच्छा इसमें तो